Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change the language in Grammarly. So let's get started guys. So firstly just go to your Grammarly and then you'll be over here as you log in with your account, and then this home screen will be yours. Now what you're going to do is just go to your left hand side and then you'll be having the option which says account. Then let's just go with the account guys. And then over here on the left hand side you'll be having many options as profile, subscription, writing, settings, and try grammar business, and also this three dot. So here are the support and product feedback. So we'll be needing to change the language, so we can just go over here which is writing, and then on this you'll see language setting, just go with it. And over here you can select your language like this. So dialect I write in, so it's now British English. You can change it to American English, British English, Canadian English, Australian English, Indian English as well. So let me just go with American English, and that's pretty much guys, that's how you change your language in Grammarly. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So that's pretty much guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for any queries that you have. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.